Hello everyone, it's me Saugat from Techmates. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to write your own book from ChatGPT. First of all, what you need to do is open chat.open.ai. Then you need to tell ChatGPT what to do. Let's suppose I want to write a book about success. So I will just type write a book about success. Likewise, I would also like to include some of the words like love, life, vision, mission, confidence. Let's write a short book. Let's not make it long, so let's type write a short book. Let's also add work ethics in it and some other words like parents. So here goes our journey to write a book from ChatGPT. Yes, our book has been written. So that's how you write a book from ChatGPT. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Keep on watching for more.